Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best upright exercise bikes that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Exerpeutic upright folding magnetic bike with pulse. The Exerpeutic magnetic bike that have pulse offers a major exercise in a little space. This two principal offering features of the upright workout bike are clearly folding and heartbeat. This folding magnetic bike can screen the heart rate with the sensors situated in handlebars. This enables you to remain in your cycling area while checking your heartbeat and guaranteeing that you having objective heart zone. It has mechanized LCD demonstrates your heartbeat and also other key execution measurements like calories copied and length of exercise. There are likewise 8 various resistance settings so you can add significantly greater force to your exercise. The other offering highlight of the Exerpeutic magnetic bike is the capacity to overlay up and stock away rapidly. The plan of this bike enables it to be collapsed up to 300 pounds of its unique impression. This is awesome for individuals with small exercise space or individuals who would prefer not to have their gear out in plain view. Once collapsed, this bike can without much of a stretch be transported and put away in a storeroom or now and again under the bed. It is a decent purchasing choice. Moving on at number 4, we have the Marci Exercise upright fan bike workout Air 1 and cardio training. Get an open-air cycling knowledge comfortable at home with the Marci Exercise fan bike. With double activity arms, the Marci fan bike can give your abdominal area an incredible exercise and in the meantime keep you cool and agreeable. This double activity Marci fan bike with froth-secured handlebars, high-density foam seat situate with hard-wearing vinyl covering makes it solid and durable. This exercise fan bike's seat can be balanced by the client's body estimate as it can suit many shapes. The easy-to-understand PC board in this Marci Exercise fan bike tracks speed, calories, distance and sweeps capacities to keep you educated while working out. At number 3, we have the Ancheer folding upright stationary recumbent exercise bike. Ancheer fitness items may not ring a ringer as different fitness gear firm would, yet it is certain a force to figure at the games and fitness industry, no uncertainty. They contain a significant number of good and extraordinary fitness hardware to their name. For the way that it is not costly, it can interest you to realize that there are features the Ancheer exercise bike contain. Great features are not really found in other comparative items despite the fact that many individuals think of it as basic bike. The Ancheer bike is built to enable you to accomplish your fitness objectives as you can simply perform cardiovascular exercises in the solace of your house. Its attractive magnetic resistance framework enables you to change for the warm-up exercise to a high-pressure exercise that could consume calories, enhance heart health and stamina with a low affect impact. At number 2, we have the ProGear foldable upright magnetic bike. If sparing space in your home is a need, then this ProGear foldable bike will fit your exercise needs. An essential piece of your exercise is knowing your heart rate all through your exercise to ensure you are boosting your calorie and fat consume, so we likewise incorporated a heartbeat screen. Likewise, we overhauled the wrench system to give a smooth and predictable accelerating movement. Transportation wheels enable you to move the ProGear to various room areas or if conceivable even in a storage room. So begin getting fit and sound with the ProGear foldable upright bike and get the exercise you have constantly needed. And finally at number 1, we have the FEIERDUN exercise bike, upright magnetic stationary adjustable folding bike. The FEIERDUN has a simply foldable and customizable plan with wheels at the bottom for simple transportation and helpful stockpiling, particularly for those with small space. You can change the shaped seat for tallness simply to suit individuals between the statures of 6 feet to 5 feet 1 inch. It is a smaller unit with an oversimplified plan and simple to assemble in less than 30 minutes. The great size LED show is simple to peruse and tracks the pointers of speed, time, distance and calories. There is a tablet holder, multi-work remain, for you to put your PC, tablet or cell phone and browse your messages, watch recordings or tune into music. Hence you don't have an exhausting workout and can go for more and consume more fat and calories. The streamlined healthcare innovation utilized on this bicycle gives air a chance to inhale through the texture on the seat, and it will be cool even nighttime of utilization. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.